Good morning, students. Hope everyone will be fine in your home. So, you come to Nuvara Global School online teaching class. So, this is your Devi ma'am, EVS teacher. So, last 5 days we are discussing our chapter number 8, right? Circulatory system and the excretory system. And today we will discuss about our skill builder questions, application based questions, and on project, how to do the project. So these things we will discuss today. So first, coming to the skill builder questions. Come to page number 95, everyone. First question, see the first question. In a human body, there are some organs that perform more than one function. Can you think of at least one example? तो क्या बोल रहे, क्वेश्चन समझ आया आपको? हमारा ह्यूमन बॉडी में थोड़ा ऑर्गन्स है दैट विल परफॉर्म मोर देन वन फंक्शन. उसके बारे में थोड़ा लिखना है विथ वन एग्जाम्पल एंड फंक्शन. ओके, सो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इट इज़ द लंग्स. ओके, तो लंग्स तो दो काम करता है. फर्स्ट वन, it is an or breathing organ, right? Taking out the oxygen and giving out the carbon dioxide, right? And then what it will do? It will remove the waste from the body. And second one organ, it is the skin. So the skin is a sense organ. It helps us to feel, but it also produces other functions also. Let us see here. See the first one. The lungs are the organs that help us to breathe. First point. Second, they also help to excrete the carbon dioxide and substance from the body. Second organ is the skin. The skin is a sense organ and help us to feel. But it also produces the sweat to keep us cool. Then sweat also helps excrete excess salt and other waste or harmful substance from the body. I have given the two options here. One is said to be the lungs and second one is said to be the skin. ये दोनों में आपके कोई easy है वो point लिखो. First one, lungs, they are the organs that help us to breathe. But what they will do? They also help to excrete the carbon dioxide and other substance from the body. दो काम करता है. Then the skin, it is also a sense organ and help us to feel. It also keeps our body cool and helps to excrete the excess salt and other waste from the body. Come to the second question. What would happen if your body was unable to get rid of waste as discussed? So what they are telling there, if the waste are not removed from our body, what will happen? Okay, so if our body was unable to get rid of waste, the waste would collect in the body, right? The waste materials will occupy our body, making us feel very sick. So हमको बुखार आएगा जल्दी. So the waste should be removed from our body. Clear? Then come to the third question. Look at the picture of the urinary system. Okay, write the names of the organs present in the place. Now see here, see the diagram in page number 95. That is 4 parts are there. It is given organ. आप इसके ऊपर organ का नाम लिखना है. First one, can you able to see the kidney shape, bean shape? It is called kidney. Write the first option, kidney. So second one, you can able to see the thin tube, right? Below the kidney, a thin tube will be there. It is called ureter. And then third one, a big bladder. It is looking like a ball. It is called urinary bladder. URINARY, urinary bladder. BLADDER, urinary bladder. And last one, a thin tube at last. It is called urethra. URETHRA. It is called urethra. Then come to the application based question. Page number 96. Can you able to see the application based question? I am reading, just listen. Deepa's teacher compared the human body to a city. Okay, so Deepa is one girl. Her teacher is teaching the human body to a city. The heart is said to be the bus station. तो अच्छा से सुनना है. You have to mark the answers. Heart is said to be the bus station, and the blood vessels to a network of roads. Okay, heart is a bus station. The blood vessels, they are called as a roads. She says the arteries and the veins are like the main roads in the cities. Okay, so we have to learn the chapter, right? Arteries and veins are the blood vessels. So these two are the main roads in the city. So the main roads are connected to each other by the smaller roads. So here the teacher is telling the capillaries, right? The capillary is said to be the smaller roads. So the smaller road capillary connects the main road, that is arteries and veins. So there are many houses along with the smaller roads. So we can imagine that the blood is like a stream of buses. Blood क्या है? Blood is said to be the buses. Buses leave from bus station regularly every minute, right? Each bus passes through the main roads into the smaller roads and drops off important things at the houses. Okay? Then the bus मतलब it is a blood. It also collects the garbage मतलब waste from the houses and drops it off at the garbage disposal site. Each bus then go back to the bus station and starts all over again. सिंपल मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ. दीपा का टीचर हमारा बॉडी पार्ट्स के ऊपर एक कहानी डाला है. तो हियर शी इज टेलिंग हमारा हार्ट इट इज सेड टू बी द बस स्टेशन. हमारा हार्ट क्या है? इट इज़ द बस स्टेशन. एंड ब्लड वेसल्स दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ रोड्स. So heart is a bus station. The roads are called as a blood vessels. The arteries and the veins, they are the main roads. Okay, so the road है arteries and veins, and they are connected by the small road. Small road मतलब it is called as an capillaries. So हमारे body में house road में बहुत ज़्यादा houses है. So like that in our body also many houses were there. Okay, now the blood is said to be the stream. Okay, stream of buses. अब क्या करता है blood? They will leave the bus station regularly. The buses will go to the bus station regularly. So each bus क्या करता है? They will travel through the main road. That is the blood will travel through main road. Main road मतलब arteries and veins. By means of the smaller road. Smaller road मतलब capillaries. And क्या करता है? It will also collect the garbages from the houses. So हमारा हाउस में क्या garbage? The blood will collect the garbages and the excretory system will dispose it. So this is the story. Now come to the first question. Where do the bus start their travel from? तो normally bus कहाँ से start होता है? Mainly in the bus station. तो take the option bus station. Second one, why did the teacher compare the heart to the bus station? Because for the bus station is the main thing, right? Here also the heart is said to be the very important part because it pumps the blood in the regular manner every minute. So that is option number B. Third one, Which part of the circulatory system are like smaller roads that connect the different main roads? So here it is said to be capillaries. The capillaries are the smaller roads. Fourth one, where do you think is the garbage disposal site of the human body located? It is called kidney. So the waste will come and settle in the kidneys. So mark these options in your book. Page number 96 में application based or questions are there. You have to write all these 4 points. Clear? Then साइंस का मेन इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है एक्टिविटी, राइट? एक्सपेरिमेंट, एक्टिविटी, मॉडल, so many things are there. So since our school was not open, we didn't perform any activity in the science, and today we will do one activity, right? So everyone come to page number 91. Students, after the school is open, I will ask this activity. Okay, you have to perform in the homes. No need to buy anything in the stationery. Whatever the things present in your house, you can do this one. Come to page number 91. Can you able to see the urinary system diagram? कुछ diagram है, देख लो. Kidney is present, 2 pipes are there, ureter is there, urinary bladder is there, and urethra is there. So like this you have to make a model. वो कैसे बनाना है मैं आपको कुछ आइडिया बता दूंगा, ठीक है? So you have to make a model of human excretory system by using this materials, ठीक है? आपके घर में किडनी बीन्स है. In each and every home the kidney beans will be there. So somebody it will say kidney beans, somebody बोलती है तो राजमा, ठीक है? ये दोनों में कोई भी अब यूज़ कर सकता है. Then straw, अब जूस पीती है ना straw, you have to use the straw. And then clay, you are making for playing, right? Clay, take that clay and 2 small pipes. Okay, so 2 pipes it is present in your home. So these materials easily you can get your home. So what you have to do, take a 2 pipes, ठीक है? So that is said to be the middle one, the blue color and red color you can able to see. So fit the 2 pipes there. और दोनों साइड में kidney beans का डालो. Kidney beans is said to be kidney, right? From the using the straw you can make a ureter. Ureter is a 2 pair of tubes, okay? That is said to be ureter. And then at the bottom by using the clay you make an urethra. Simple है ना? This activity is very easy, you can do it in your home. I am repeating again, listen students. Activity, up to now we didn't do any activities, so today we will make an activity, that is making a model of human excretory system. You can use not, you should not use like this, you can use the cotton, right? You can use the cotton, matchsticks, anything you can use. Okay, they have to make a human urinary system. So beans mainly for kidneys, straw for ureters, clay for urethra, okay, and 2 pipes, small pipes as seen in the diagram. First fit the 2 pipes, along with the 2 types fix the kidney, okay, and then by means of the straw make the ureter. The straw should be both in same color, okay, and then by using the clay you can make an urethra. So after the school is opening I'll be asking these questions, okay, asking these models and experiments. So up to this we have completed our 8th chapter, circulatory and the excretory system. Now make a new note for writing the short note and long answer. First you have to write the hard words, then you have to write the short answers, at last you have to write the long answers, okay? So hope everyone will be safe in your home. Try to complete this work as soon as possible. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Then tomorrow we will start our new chapter. See you, students.